Now at 5, a case of vandalism with a possible link to the shooting of a local attorney has folks at Crime Stoppers raising their eyebrows. Good evening. After the shooting at a home in Fort Wayne's Shorewood subdivision over a month ago, most of the tips that came into Crime Stoppers were vague. They only led detectives to a dead end.
And then yesterday, someone fired shots at the home of another attorney who works for the same law firm, and police think the two cases could be connected. News Channel 15's Megan Royce talked to the head of Crime Stoppers today, and she joins us live from News Control.
Mark and Heather, Greg Lewis was a police officer for 30 years, has been with Crime Stoppers for 10. He tells me that he's never seen a case this odd.
There's something about this link between the shooting of attorney David Cooker and the shots fired on Blackthorn Cove that has Crime Stoppers Greg Lewis raising his eyebrows.
Two people that are shot, one shot, and the other one shot at, and they tried to kill him. They're both working in the same law firm. That's a little odd.
Lewis says folks living in these neighborhoods don't need to be fearful. He says this person or people are clearly targeting folks who work at Faegre Baker Daniels law firm.
They're targeting these lawyers in his law firm, and that to me, I've never seen anything like that. And I've been around almost 40 years, 30 as a policeman, 10 with Crime Stoppers.
According to what Lewis was told by officers, Jeff Gagland, the attorney who may have been shot at yesterday, was indeed a target of the shooter. He says this person or people doing this are obviously determined, knows these attorneys, and has a clear purpose.
Even though the house was dark where the second attorney was shot, they approached the house, looked inside, and saw him on the couch watching TV, and still took the shot.
I asked Lewis if he thought someone here in Fort Wayne knows who the shooter is. He says,
yes, I think there's people that know who's doing this, but whether that's ever going to come to light, I don't know.
Without a motive or suspect description, Lewis says this case is going to be tough to crack.
It's going to have to be through motive and through opportunity, and that's the way they're going to have to do it, and it's going to be tough.
Anyone who knows information about either incidents is encouraged to call police or anonymously to Crime Stoppers. And just for information, the reward for the Shorewood shooting still stands at $5,000. For now, reporting live from News Control tonight, Megan Royce, News Channel 15.